Hello. Hi, welcome back. I hope you had a great weekend. Today, I am talking about limiting beliefs, and I want you to start thinking about what lies have you told yourself that's keeping you stuck. Once again, what lies have you told yourself that's keeping you stuck? Today, we're talking about limiting beliefs. Hi, welcome. If you are new here, my name is Shanita. I am your mindset coach. I help individuals to heal from their traumatic experiences as well as uncover and discover who they are so they can begin to live a life of wholeness and purpose. So let's get right into it. So I want you to begin to recognize that we tell ourselves stories about ourselves. We tell ourselves stories about ourselves. What do you tell you about you? And where did that belief come from? So I want you to begin to recognize and acknowledge what you're telling yourself. And I got 3 tips that's going to help you to do that. So the tip number 1 is I want you to begin to write down your common thoughts. Thoughts like, I'll never be happy, or thoughts like I'm not smart enough, thoughts like I don't deserve this. I want you to begin to write down your negative thoughts, because those negative thoughts are your limiting beliefs, and those limiting beliefs keep you stuck in life. Write down your negative thoughts. You see, I once had struggles for years. I once struggled for years with negative thinking about myself. And that was based on what others told me about me. It took me years to believe that I was worthy. It took me years to believe that I was even worthy of love. It took me years to believe and to develop confidence in myself, knowing that I am able and I'm capable of doing whatever it is that I am called to do. It took me years. You know, we have the tendency to really not even pay attention to the negative self-talk. We have the tendency to ignore our negative self-talk, to let it go, to realize, okay, this is who I am. I'm not going to be able to ever change. Have you ever believed anything negative about yourself? Do you believe anything negative about yourself? If so, I want you to write down all your common negative thoughts about you. And then I want you to ask yourself, who taught you that belief? Who taught you that thought? Where did that thought come from? I want you to sit with it for a little while. Figure out, okay, when did I start believing this about myself? What happened to me that I started believing about myself? What was my experiences that caused me to believe this about myself? I want you to really begin to ask yourself, where did this thought come from? Where did this belief come from? Where did this limiting belief that keeps you stuck come? Where did it come from? And then I want you to replace it. Replace your limiting belief with affirmations. Affirmations such as, I am worthy. I am lovable. I'm deserving of respect and honor. Replace those beliefs. You have to begin to replace those beliefs in order for you to begin to empower yourself. And what I mean by this is, say your belief is, I'm not worthy. So you're going to replace that belief with I am worthy. But saying it once will not overpower the negative belief. So you have to say it multiple times for a long, long time until you begin to believe I am worthy. So the words I am worthy will overpower that belief system that you have, that you are not worthy. So a lot of times we go through these and we say these affirmations and we think they're supposed to work after about a week, but no, it doesn't work that way. You are digging up negative belief system that has been in you more than likely since childhood. It's not an overnight thing. So it's something that you need to begin to work on daily. Okay? So don't expect this change to happen overnight. No. But it will happen with time. So you are going to replace your limiting beliefs with truth. Okay? All right, so that's what I have for today. Once again, remember, you're gonna write down your limiting beliefs, whether you call them limiting beliefs, negative self-talk, whatever you call them. You're gonna write them down, and then you're gonna ask yourself, who taught me this about myself? Where did I learn this from? What experiences did I have that caused me to feel this way about myself? And then you're gonna replace that limiting belief with an affirmation, okay, or something positive. Okay. All right. So that's what I got for you today, is identifying your limiting beliefs. So I want you to just sit with this for a while and begin to take the time to begin to replace those limiting beliefs, because you want to go into the next season of your life. You want to be able to move forward. You want to be able to thrive. But first, you got to deal with the limiting beliefs. Once again, we're working on mindset here, okay? I'm your mindset coach. I help individuals heal from their traumatic experiences, as well as discover who they are, so they can begin to live a life of wholeness and purpose. Until next time, speak kindly to yourself.